Nothing makes us more satisfied than helping customers succeed with their websites.
Make that website purr, baby.
And we're one of the leaders in web hosting.
We want to serve your site, too. Snappy, he's one bad mother...
HostGator.com. Use the coupon code HostGatorVideo and get thousands of pre-made site templates, free website tools, and award-winning 24/7 customer service. Visit HostGator.com today.
Why not create your own custom website today for just 1 penny at HostGator.com? Use coupon code HostGatorVideo to get professional website templates and themes, free website tools, one-click installs, and our award-winning 24/7 customer service. If you already have a website, we'll even migrate it for free. Make the most out of your penny and get your website online today. Visit HostGator.com now.
File Manager is a web interface that allows you to upload and manage files directly through cPanel. First, you have to log into your cPanel. Do so by opening a browser window and typing in the URL to log into your cPanel page. After entering your username and password, you should find yourself logged into cPanel. Now that you've logged into cPanel, scroll down to the Files section and click on File Manager. File Manager will open on the following screen. On the right-hand side, select the folder to which you'd like to upload files. Then, go to the top toolbar and click the Upload icon. On the next screen, you can either drag and drop your desired file or click Select File to find the file you want to upload. If you choose Select File, a dialog box will appear, and you can now choose the file you wish to upload from your computer or network. Choose the desired file and click the Open button. One note, there is a 500 megabyte upload limit through File Manager. For files larger than that, you will need to use an FTP. Once the file has been selected, it will upload automatically, and you will return to a screen that allows you to upload more files if desired. You can do this while your initial upload is in progress. Congratulations! You can now upload files using File Manager.
Visit HostGator.com/help for more tutorials like this one.
Logging in to cPanel. This tutorial will show you how to log in to cPanel. With your web browser, enter the URL of your cPanel. cPanel can be accessed with any of the following URLs. Enter your cPanel username. Enter your cPanel password. Click the OK button. Congratulations! You now know how to log in to cPanel.